Hello, lovely people. I welcome you to Osiris Digital Studios. Before I say anything, I would like to remind you that we are here to help you capture all your beautiful memories. Baby, I'm a weddings, no, engagement, no, a year, no. Send your mother down, my papa, no, won't pass on. You'll be trapped by your family. A baby, and there's a mamma one taken as no. And so please do want to come and book us for all your slots. And this year, a lot of marriages are going to happen. Guatemala is opening the door. You say Guatemala the fire and say yeah channel. You say you like say channel. And so just imagine we are bossy Guatemala. No, we ready there. Then we propose on a day. We book here. Now you make track with beautiful memories for you. And also, I like to remind you that we also have flamingo air freshers. So we be about fee. Now doing work. We call it stinge. One come. We feel perfect and also cockroaches. You're very smart to say, come and get the flamingo air freshers to make your surroundings. Come and get the flamingo air freshers to make your surroundings smell good and nice. And today I have with me, my name is, I don't know if I should still introduce myself to you people, because if you're any party again, so come here and share the name. Let me just tell you, for the first time, my name is Sweet Delante, and today I'm here to fight. Battle of the fittest. I have with me the beautiful, the ever gorgeous, the ever green, black Barbie.
Black hair, yeah.
I love us all dragging. Oh, black neck, you Rachel. Very nice. I'm not here. It doesn't beat me. We'll not finish the show.
Ha.
So, if you are new to this whole story, a video of one of Ghana's influencers, male influencers, Ekow Black, surfaced when he was seen beating a woman or laying his hands. I wouldn't say beaten. I wouldn't say beaten. I wouldn't say beaten.
Laying hand is like this. Beaten. Laying hand is like this.
Mommy, a bit so I like a beaten. Me, I saw hand laying. Oh, no, a vampire man. So, okay. And it has become a topic of discussion, because we all know Ekow Black to be a feminist, and all that. And so now, when we saw this, it became another issue. So, Harry, when you saw the video, what was your first, the first thing that came to your mind? How did you feel about Ekow Black?
My heart caught.
Ish.
Just say, as a not baby, you as a baby, guna kule no say I'm beautiful no. Color what shit I'm not saying it you know. As a because I mean, before you even understand, you even try to understand, say, why is this person beating this person? There is a beating. Why should a man lay, according to me, lay hands on a woman, no matter what has transpired, no matter, I mean, I saw two things, right? A woman being beaten, and then by a frustrated man. So I saw the frustration from the man, and then I saw the beating. Even aside the frustration and everything, no, I believe Ekow had no right under any circumstance to lay hands on that pretty lady.
Now let me take you back. Some years ago, a video also surfaced of a woman using her footwear. I don't know if you remember that video.
Yeah, I do.
Using her footwear to beat a man, the girl's friend, because allegedly the boy was cheating. What do you have to say about that one?
And also, my heart hurts. I do not support violence. I do not like my eyes, these big eyes of mine. If it sees violence, so this thing is not even about a man beating a woman or a woman beating. There should not be any beating at all. Conflicts can be solved
with dialogue.
Yes, in a sensible way. Only on several ways, you say our tone, boom, boom, and I need to come down, baby, Yeah, I'll be and yeah, what should obi ba. I'm a one cast like I'm a one cast so Ekow no e be jail.
Is it
With bright future, I should say quite.
if we go to jail, we don't have a bright future.
I mean, yes, right. Your destiny
To go to jail. We destiny yourself. If you want to happy for you to go to the jail, no, you do it and you go.
To be honest, so you are trying to tell me that okay, fine, because of the frustration behind it, because we don't know what happened, right? Honestly, at the end of the day, you know, obi me to me ayi bibia. When I reacted to it, and when I from but we don't know what transpired behind what I say. A command as our reaction, but because they said to every reaction there's an action.
Yes.
There was an action before it happened. But under no circumstances should any action at all pursue you or make you feel comfortable enough to lay your hands on
Personally,
or a man.
personally, I don't have a problem. Say, you be engineer, Jesus Christ, by your brain, man. Yes, please.
But it does not make it right.
It doesn't make it right. It doesn't make it right at all. But sometimes we need to, it's not good. But I believe that sometimes we need to
Instill
still
fear.
fear in certain situations. Now, when we say, which
So now class the Bible, let's say Jimmy okay.
what am I saying?
That's what I say.
So now the reason why Ekow Black Swan is being different is because people are tagging him to be a feminist.
He is a feminist.
He is a
That's his brand, right? That is where he made us all to believe that he is in support of women's responsibility and all of
women's rights.
women's rights, exactly.
But do you know that if you make it your mind, say because you are a woman and then you have a right, you are the weaker vessel, quote unquote. You are the weaker, no, quote unquote, because generally,
Yeah.
that is what, if you are saying that you are not, then they actually say, I don't also want to answer. And now say, I was sitting here saying that Ekow Black did the wrong thing if you are not the weaker vessel. If you are the same energy with the man.
Imagine say encourage you no so bring me back to back.
Now Rachel,
Reaction also say it took her by surprise. She was not expecting that. She was taking a moment to actually like suck it all in. Like also like are you really hating me? You, at the end of the day, you know, you can do anything.
Do not hate a woman.
But do not hate a woman, no matter what. I mean, I'll be no more only stubborn, yes. Yes, even between men, crampo, what dance the them do a honoma, or that to me push you to the wall, but even between Bema and Bema, because it's also violence. What is it? So, I won't just hey. Just say,
But the whole thing is that personally, me want to say Ekow Black is not guilty of all the charges that have been laid against him.
This is not a charge. It is evidence day. You did do one.
And man, I'm still why I'm dead. And man, not still why I'm dead.
And to watch that,
now, women are fighting for equality in certain spaces. No more bar. Don't hit a woman, no matter what happens. You do not hit a woman. Due to the woman, what victimizing woman? You are untouchable. We are
indeed untouchable. We are untouchable, but in that way. But we are indeed untouchable because at the end of the day, no, we are not just any beings. We are all human beings, so but women are not just any beings.
You have got it.
Hey. Because at the end of the day, no, yay, me, fire so, And it's why na body as we are not just any
now pension was a bottom when I want you when I
what said they will learn temuno. Why to run found the video
so you should know that I am 50-50.
And you 50 at some now when you said your blue ball. What do you do in the cost? No, so you said your blue balls. Blue balls. What's a pregnancy? Pregnancy.
I'm waiting for the Chinese people to invent something that when you are pregnant, you are normal, you are saying.
That's fine. We share good like our office say, and one can or banning to me, man. We share good, you know. Share brow about the film. Yeah, dear, I freaking months. I'm sick on
the see, me mommy, on your ma, and yet, it's on your ma. Me play around 7 months. And you meaning of the sumano. No, so that we know what we go through within that your stage.
What?
Mood swings, mood swings, and then how much craving.
So when let's we channel a jam on say a just share. And who heat no. Imagine will be already on the anymore.
And so you want to imagine. And so you know you say.
It's part of our purpose to procreate. That is the main reason why God even created us in the first place, to procreate. God even what's coming. Please, that is what the purpose. It's a purpose of a human being.
A sub this thing, but you were created to come and worship Him.
No. That is the worship rather is a sub.
No.
I want to. I'll see how you know.
So if that wasn't. You are dignity please, if worship was a sub, if worship was a sub, this thing, Yami every for say, so we show me my friend Mumbai. I'm a more fool, at the end of the day, there is no reaction without action. Imagine somebody on a host of angels. And praising every single day. Worship Lord day. Oh yeah, a whole year like all here you be all here to cook. Oh here she. God does not need any room and here be free in the home. Whatever. So he that anything or patch say. So especially almost saying I mean you no. Or patch almost say. So also all room I can call. I have that power. It's when you worship when I'm here. I crumple to me again. Imagine only pack crumple no. So we don't hook it to you feel you on top of the world, not a whole God. He does not need anything from us. What I say, all he needs from us is to what? Continue and body, we continue until we choose a whole one. And we want the guts to try to grow, say, leave me alone, Rachel. Won't say, leave me alone. No matter what Rachel did, she did not deserve that. Won't say, one Bruno, or piano. What? Well, piano. Piano is a video, my piano say, Rachel video, no.
Leave me alone, Rachel, leave me alone.
Rachel,
leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I have to say, men are devils.
They don't look like somebody pushing somebody.
And then, but you see,
saving Rachel said, because on say no all stairs and also, and now Rachel a ben will also show you to and saving Rachel say, or born blows in the town and question. And I'm saying, I can never say anything. That's why also video be executed. It was even students in Lammy and Paul. And I'm more day, oh, corner back, oh, born man, tea, a copy on all day. Oh, yeah. I say this.
I give up. Let me say Ekow black no. I was so girl to say. I don't know what to say. Boom. Rachel leave me. Boom. Rachel leave me.
You are wicked.
We want to make sure. Me some cross me. There's some cross me. So it looks like the reason why we came no crown or you're diverted, but the whole idea of the thing is that women are not more than men, and men are not more than women.
Yes.
We all have emotions.
Yeah.
You do not expect somebody to react how you want them to react when you do something to them.
Yeah. Yeah.
You are all yellow. What did they Black Barbie?
Yeah. Or funny
Cool. But what did they me? We don't go to police station. That's how bold you are. And so let's not put Ekow Black in the camera say you are a bad man, you are a wicked man. We are just human beings.
That one there. So I get your point a lot, but you see, there's this general rule.
A woman.
Yes, what I say, and there's different emotions. What I say, and man also whatever, and man so whatever, and then and man said, and then man kwana yetema. What I say, but at the end of the day, generally, okay, obia ya obonne said there is a same way you can go about it, no matter how you feel. And I don't think you go school. It's just civilized.
Now boils down to common sense.
Thank you. Common sense.
It's a man. Say no common sense, man. A man, common sense. Okay. I say yes, Shimon.
Yeah, thank you. Why?
So once again, this has been Osiris Digital Studios. I did this with the amazing Black Barbie.
Clack it.
As a woman, don't trigger a man. As a man, don't trigger a woman.
Yes.
Thank you. Ekow Black, you've not done anything wrong. You have done something wrong. To death.
You have. You have no right to beat.
In our next video, this has been Osiris Digital Studio supporting us all the time. Do want to contact the number below for your memories to be captured as well. We love you. Stay safe, and then bye.